Dear friends, in class 7, third chapter, data handling, on page number 72, we have the second question. It is in try this. Sale of English and Hindi books in the years 1995, 96, 97, 98 are given below. Here years 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998. In English books were sold 350 and Hindi books were sold 500 in the year 1995. English books were sold 400 and Hindi books were sold 525 in the year 1996. Then 450 English books were sold and 600 Hindi books were sold in the year 1997, and 620 English books were sold and 650 Hindi books were sold in the year 1998. We are asked, draw a double bar graph and answer the following questions. So we have to first draw the double bar graph, and depending upon the double bar graph answer, we have to answer some questions. First question is, in which year was the difference in the state of the two language books list? So difference is asked in when it was the list. Can you say that the demand for English book rose faster? Justify. Here you can note that the demand for English books rose from 350 to 620. So if you see the rate of increase, it is 350 to 620 in 4 years. Here it is 500 to 650. It is 150 in 4 years. So you can understand here it is more as compared to Hindi. So demand for English book is faster since it increases from 350 to 620 and Hindi books increases from 500 to 650. Let's draw the bars for the year 1995. So I'm going to keep 2 centimeters gap here. For 1995 2 years 2 centimeters, then again gap, this is for 1995, then again 2 centimeters gap, again 2 centimeter 1996, again 2 centimeters gap 1997, again this is 2 centimeter for 1997, 2 centimeters gap 1998. So please note I have taken years on x-axis. And if you see the information given, we are having maximum 650 books sold. So I have taken 1 centimeter is equal to 50, second centimeter 100, 50, 100, 150, 200 and so on. So please note 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 50 books I have taken. So 1 centimeter is equal to 50 books. And on x-axis I have taken years. So scale is on x-axis we have years and on y-axis we have 50 books. On y-axis we have 1 centimeter is equal to 50 books. We are solving second problem from try this. Now please note English books sold in the year 1995 are 350. So this will be the mark 350. In the same year, Hindi books were 500. So let us draw the double bars for this. Then in the year 1996, 400 English books. So 400 for 400 we have this. And Hindi books were 525. This is 500, this is 550. So 520 is the center of this. So 525 will be center of. That is slightly thick line. Draw the bars for the year 1996. Then for year 1997 we have 450 is here. So 450 will come here. And Hindi books are 600, so 600 is here. Let's draw the bars for the year 1997. Again keep the back 2 centimeters gap. In the year 1998 we have 620 books. 600, this is 620, this is 650. 610 means 2 lines, 620 means 4 lines, so we will have 4 lines. 620, these are 4 lines, please watch carefully. Then last is 650. 650 is here. Let us complete the graphs for bars for the year 1998. Now let us, since English and Hindi books, please note these are English books, these are Hindi, English, Hindi, English, Hindi, English, Hindi, cannot be indicated from the simple bar, so we need to shade them differently. So I am going to use no shades for English and slant lines for Hindi. These are slant lines for Hindi. So these are Hindi books. I am using slant lines. Second bar indicates sale of Hindi books. Dear friends, in this way I have shaded. English books are not shaded. Please note these are the bars for English and shaded bars are for Hindi. We have taken sale on y-axis and years on x-axis. Now, 2 questions we are supposed to answer depending upon this bar. First question is, in which year was the difference in the sale of the two language books list? We are asked in which year was the difference list. So if you take the difference, you will note that 1 centimeter is equal to 50. So this is 50, 50, 50 means say difference is 150. Here difference is 50, 50 and 25 means 125. Here difference is 50, 50, 50 means 150. Here difference is less than 50. Please note here there are 6 lines means difference is only 30. Hence first question answer is, in the year 1998 the difference in the sale of the 2 language books was list. Thus in the year 1998 the difference in the sale of the 2 language books is list. Now see, second question is, can you say the demand for English books rose faster? Justify. Now please note English books rose from 350 to 620. So if you take the difference, it is 270. So difference is 270 means in 4 years sale of English book rose by 270. And that of Hindi books, if you see, it rose from 500 to 650 means it rose by 150. Hence we can say that sale of English books rose faster. Demand for English book rose faster. The reason is in 4 years sale of English book rose by 270 and that of Hindi books rose by 150.